You can see groove, but
Hey guys, so it's Sunday once again. Both Alex and Greg from Alexus Audio have graciously let me show off their stuff in the room here. The main reason I came in here is for the DS Audio DS003 cartridge and this amazing phono preamp that these guys have developed. I heard it this morning. I heard it on Thursday when we were all setting up. And my main focus in here is to talk about the optical phono cartridge preamp, but at the same time, I'm a tube guy, as well as Class D, right? So Alex has the amps down here. One thing I was going to ask you guys, so Greg, you designed the speakers?
Yes, correct.
And Alex, you did the electronics?
yes.
And that's why it sounds so good. Sorry guys, I call it like I see it, man. So, all right, Greg, I'm going to let you talk a little bit about your speaker design.
Yeah. It's my speaker design and stay apart from any 2-3-way regular speakers. The design completely different. First of all, it's like four-way system. You got side woofer 10 inches, one passive radiator 10 inches, two mid-bass working different frequency, two tweeter. This is a quasi-coaxial configuration plus super tweeter.
Yeah.
So efficiency about 89 degree, and speakers allow you very clear, transparent sound and a good bass. It's not similar to produce same size loudspeakers.
Yeah.
The bass is very go down up to 25, but it's real. It's not on just the paper.
Yeah, no, and you don't have any bass boom in here. That's the first thing I heard.
No,
You hear
we
music.
don't-
You
we
hear
don't-
music
we-
in
Yeah,
here.
we don't use any port design. The port
Yeah.
design sometimes allow you boomy sound.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
use passive radiator,
Yeah.
one for the side woofer, one for the front woofer.
Of course, yeah.
So bass is very tight and articulate.
And like you were explaining, this is more like a
Yeah.
super tweeter, or did I
The
say?
super tweeter,
Yeah.
I use a super tweeter because I find out no any regular tweeter like dome tweeter 10 inches allow you good transparent sound to produce brass
Yeah.
instrument natural sound. We have
Yeah.
to use super tweeter, but
Yeah.
problem is it's very good problem to good issues to marriage
Yeah,
between
yeah.
super tweeter and
Yeah,
marriage.
the blend.
So I put it
Yeah.
second order crossover for super tweeter.
Yeah.
So we cut out frequency like 8,000
Yeah,
hertz.
yeah, that makes sense.
To make to meet the super tweeter go up to 20,000
Yeah,
hertz.
nice. Very cool. Alex, now we're going to talk about your phono preamp.
Okay, but let's talk first about cartridge itself.
Okay,
so it's a new generation of optical cartridge. So it's not really digital, it's just optical. So its model is 003, and that's all. From cartridge, it goes to... Okay, so this is a phono stage / equalizer / energizer, whatever you like. So it has DS input, it has MC input, and has MM input. Input has switchable loading resistance and capacitance, so you can select at your choice. And also it has gain out control. So and for each input, each different level. So if you have like different cartridges, with different arms, so that's exactly what you need. So it's a completely vacuum tube unit. Inside 6 vacuum tubes. This is what you see inside the vacuum tube phono stage, equalizer, whatever. So it's completely dual mono. There's left channel, right channel, power supply for left channel, power supply for right channel. This is a control board, which controlled also by microcontroller from display. So it's very simple, so very nice. So there are two transformers here, but this is not MC transformer. It's a sound system shifting. It's because one channel on DS audio cartridges, 180-degree in opposite direction. So it's
Yeah, it's the right channel that has to be out of phase.
yes, exactly.
And also the ground casing of the turntable he uses for the 5 volts for the LED power.
Yes.
It's a pain, I know. I
Yeah.
was showing you my crazy circuits on Thursday.
Yeah, and 5 volts supplied by these capacitors, which is 5 farad.
Yes.
So it's like good enough.
Yeah.
And display is firing by this power supply, separate power supply.
Yes, of course.
5 volts.
Yeah.
And each board has like a module
Yeah.
with a level.
Right. So you're
So
not
it-
using relays.
Yes. So
Everything is electronic.
yes.
One thing I was going to ask you, Alex, so DS Audio, you said you have 5 farads
Yes.
of micro.
Yes, this is the one.
Oh, you're using super.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because I was going to say, because
Where is it?
no, yeah, because you saw my crazy circuit. I have 12 capacitors,
Yes.
72,000 microfarad plus
Yeah.
and 72,000. It's a crazy.
Yeah, but how many volts? Because this capacitor is only 5 volts.
Ah,
That exactly
yeah.
match my
Yeah.
needs.
Okay.
But in a power filter, it has 1,000 microfarad over here
Yes.
on each channel, and also in the power supply.
So the other thing I was going to ask you is, so for the 5 volts for the cartridge power, you're using 1 farad of capacity, or 5. I'm sorry. When you have to turn off the phono preamp for whatever reason, how do you discharge so that the LED is not staying on for 3 days?
Yes, discharging with a very simple.
Yeah, I'm curious.
resistor.
This is for my own.
It's very easy. But
Yeah, go ahead.
no, it has like 500 ohm resistors
Yeah.
in a parallel to this capacitor. So it means when you turn it off,
Yeah.
the capacitor gets discharged like in 1 minute maybe.
And it's just a simple relay that
Yeah.
activates and deactivates, and that's it.
Yes, something
Very
like that.
cool. Very cool.
Yeah, so that is the one. And this is also, let me tell you, so
Yeah, sure,
that
sure.
is a DC input,
Yeah.
DC input. This tube for MM
Yeah.
and MC.
Yeah.
So
So you're using tube rectification in this?
No,
Okay,
no,
okay.
no tube.
I'm sorry.
And this is the output tube.
Okay.
And it also has a capacitor on
Yeah.
output.
Yeah.
And on the front board,
Yeah.
I mean, it's a back board
Yeah.
actually.
That's fair. That's fair.
MC transformers and output transformers. So,
So
this is not everything.
So that's my next stupid question. For the gain stage, are you using the transformers? for the gain?
For the gain stage,
yes.
I use a vacuum tube.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
12 I use 7.
Seven,
12 I use 7.
Okay.
I use 7.
Okay.
And output tube is 12 AT7.
AT7 makes
Yeah.
sense. Makes sense.
Because it can give you voltage.
Perfect.